What's going down, guys? Welcome to another haircut tutorial. Now in this haircut right here, we're gonna do a low bald fade. My client wanted a 5 on top, so that's what we did. I aged them up, everything was looking good to go. Let me know what y'all guys think about the fade. Speaking of fades, I told you last time I was gonna get a fade. Here it is. Y'all already know what's good. So make sure to stay tuned, guys. Let me know what you guys think, alright? Stay tuned.
Alright guys, so jumping straight to this haircut tutorial. What I'm doing right now is combing the hair at its natural hair growth pattern. Making my initial guideline with my Slimline Pro LIs. Just debulking the hair right there with the 00, making sure I get every single hair. Make sure to go over it a few times, guys. Of course, we're gonna go ahead and bald them out. Sure to flick out with that, guys. And right there I got my no guard open, setting my second guideline. Right there we're gonna go ahead and close it just a quarter way, guys. Close it very little bit. Close another quarter. And then fully closed. So it's open, closed, close, and fully closed. Right there we're just gonna play with that lever. Just detail. And the same thing right there. Make sure you guys play with that lever, guys. Don't be afraid to move that lever up and down. Just open, close, middle, quarter way. Just play with that lever. You're gonna see a difference. Just trust the process. Going back to my 00 to detail that bottom line. Detailing is everything, guys. And then I'm just gonna tap at that bottom line with my electric shaver. Alright, with my one open, setting my next guideline. Alright, right underneath that with a half guard open, we're gonna do that. We're gonna close a quarter way, close another quarter, and then fully closed. That blend come together. Same thing on the side. So it's open, close, close, close. Make sure to follow this technique, guys. This is by far, like, it's simple, crazy simple. Alright, so with the 2 open, going straight up right there. Every head shape is different, guys. So right there I'm literally going right off his temple area. Now with the 1.5 lever open, we're gonna go ahead and blend that. Close it a quarter way. Close another quarter. And then fully closed. And do the same thing on that back area. Alright, so right there we're gonna go with a 1 guard. Just to detail. Watch how that line just pops out. That dart. So with no guard open, 1 guard open, half open and blend, 2 open, 1.5 open blend, and then come back to the 1. 3 open. We're gonna go ahead and close that thing. And then of course we're gonna come back to our 2 guard open and close. It's like a pattern, you know, just like leapfrog, you know. You skip a guard, you come back to the previous. You know, you skip a guard, come back to the previous. I usually do this first. You know, I set my first guideline, balled it out, and then do what they want on top. But in this case, I guess I forgot. So now it's with a 5 on top. Making sure you get every hair, guys. Comb the hair against the grain. And then comb forward. Alright, so right here with the no guard, we're just detailing, guys. Showing love, just detailing the fade. Alright, on this side, you already know what's up. Just follow along with the captions. Hey, y'all let me know what beat y'all like the best, you know. These are beats that I make on my spare time. Let me know which one of these beats y'all like the best. Alright, moving on to his lineup. I'm combing it up so you can see that I'm not pushing them back. It's just that the length of the hair makes it look like it's that low. Detailers, man, I'm telling you. We're moving on to the next side. Alright guys, so what you want to do is now line them up, make them look crispy as possible without pushing them back. Like I'm applying some shave gel. I'm doing some straight razor work. Barbers out there, I mean, I gotta say it, you ain't a barber if you ain't using a straight razor. Or those that inspire to become a barber. That razor, I'm telling you, it's a game changer. Matter of fact, that day, after literally after him, I got a haircut. There you go, some razor action right there. Alright guys, so there you go. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. I'm gonna keep posting these videos for you guys. Make sure to like, make sure to comment, make sure to subscribe. Thank you, appreciate it guys.